Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. You can also
Tokyo 2020 is now 43 days away. The Summer Olympics were of course postponed last year because of the pandemic and are now set to kick off on July 23rd. Some foreign athletes already have made it to Japan and organizers have a plan to keep tabs on them. Olympic athletes and sports staff are likely to be tracked by GPS at the upcoming Tokyo Games, according to the officials. Earlier this week, officials said that foreign media traveling into the country would have to disclose their movements through phone GPS data. But officials said that real-time surveillance would require significant manpower and the function would mainly be used if a positive COVID case were confirmed at the Games. Now, Olympic organizers have been insisting that these Olympics can be held in a safe bubble with athletes regularly tested, contact traced, and socially distanced. Officials say they expect more than 80% of the Olympic village to be vaccinated. Foreign spectators have already been banned, but officials have yet to decide how many local supporters, if any, can attend. Olympic organizers have struggled to resume the skeptical Japanese public that these games can be held securely. Poll after poll shows that majority of the Japanese population does not want these games held this summer. Much of Japan is still under a state of emergency. Less than 4% of the Japanese population has been fully vaccinated. Despite the COVID-19 measures at these games, many public health experts say these measures aren't enough for that. It is impossible to have a completely secure bubble with tens of thousands of Olympic participants flying in from more than 200 countries. Public health experts say there is still a risk that these games could further the spread of more contagious COVID-19 variants, not only throughout Japan but around the world. For Desi TV USA, this is me, Abid Kazmi.
thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.